Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, September the 12th, 2012, and here's today's midday market update. Want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading here. The Dow Jones is up 17, the comp is up 6.5, the Russell's up 2, S&P is up 3. If we take a look at the banks are pretty much flat. The BKX is up 45 cents. The XOY is up $4 today. The XOY energy stocks are pretty strong today, at least some of them out there. In general, today just so far just a little choppy environment. We had a nice. If you guys take a look at the screen right here, we're taking a look at the ES 15-minute chart on the left-hand side. You can see we're consolidating inside this nice little tight triangle, and this is setting us up for a move sometime in the afternoon, most likely, unless we trade inside this channel going into the close here. We had the European news come out finally. That's past us now, and now everybody's looking at what the FOMC is going to be saying, what's going to come out the FOMC from Ben Bernanke tomorrow. So right now, consolidation. Where's this key trend line coming in from that we're watching? Well, that key trend line that we're watching right now is coming from the Tuesday overnight low that was made at 1 o'clock in the morning. Drag that trend line, connected to these trend lines right here. Actually, I had moved it up a little bit, but then you have this little trend line right here, and that's where it's suspecting right now. So going to be using this little triangle that we're trading in right now as a roadmap on the ES. If you take a look on the 5-minute chart, going into the open, we had a nice little downward channel bullish setup here. You can see we had this nice little breakout that took place. It rallied up. Back test did hold for a second there. It bounced up and put a lower high in, and they sold it right back off. This is a nice little bull trap on the 5-minute time frame. Got that selling pressure right back down inside that channel. All right, and then we came right down to the key level, 1433, which was a level we highlighted was important, along with the touch the bottom of the channel down here, gave a nice long opportunity. And that's really about it. A couple things that I'm noticing here. The casinos were strong. LVS being the weakest one, Win and MGM being the strongest one. One thing that I'm noticing, though, you're really not getting that much momentum move in these stocks. So you got a lot of these nice stocks that have bullish setups on them, and the momentum move that you would expect to happen is not coming through with them. So be careful with that. All right, be careful with that. Let the stocks show you that they want to move higher. Wait for more conviction. All right, so one thing that I'm going to be looking for, guys, here, if we continue to chop around this original trend line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this key bottom trend line right here, then use this top one, and then get rid of this other trend line right here, like so. I'll just hide it right now. All right, and now we're going to be using this as a range, a prior bottom support channel, and then this new one that we have coming in right here. So in all reality, if the market starts to get weak, just know that you have a reference level you could go short against, which would be previous day's highs around this 1437.50 level, and then the opening price around 1437.25, and then you also have this little downward channel resistance. So there's a lot of resistance at this 1437 area, and that's the key level that we're looking for the market to trade above 1437.50. So if we expect the market to try to trade higher today, if not, you can see what we have going on here. We have this lower high, this lower high in this area. Then we have this low right here, this higher low. So we're kind of like getting tight a bit here. Keep an eye on this trend line as well. So we'll see what happens. That's how the ES is looking. If I take a look at the SPY, I know some of you guys track the SPY. SPY, same thing. SPY, you can even see it a little bit cleaner here. You have a nice little downward kind of tight triangle there. Keep an eye on that as well. That's a 50-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, you can see the triangle much better here. And that's basically what's on watch right now. So we should be getting a move sometime. We're going into 130. All right. Well, I know we have the Apple conference or meeting that's going to be taking place here at 1 o'clock, I believe. So it'll be interesting to see what that stock is doing. Let's go ahead and punch up Apple. AAPL. This stock's just trading sideways, waiting for that meeting. I'm not going to be trading Apple or doing anything with it. Definitely going to watch it and see how it affects the Qs, though. Some stocks that we talked about this morning. Facebook pre-market was trading in a range. Let me bring my other screen up here real quick. Facebook was trading in a range. Pre-market using the 20 level and the 2050 level. Hold on one second. Let me bring this up real quick. Okay, so pre-market Facebook held its after hours highs. All right, trading the range, broke out right here at 8 o'clock in the morning, came back tested near the top of the range, gave a perfect buy opportunity for 2025, rallied up, couldn't rally past the opening price though again, so right now it's just chopping around. Some energy stocks that were strong, COG, this stock was strong as well, RRC, this stock was holding up, but now it's still chopping around. Just keep an eye on it. May try to catch up with COG did break out, but it came right back in. Going to put an alert if it breaks back over, say, 71.50. Not the easiest stock to trade, but just something to keep on watching to have a nice move in the morning. And this stock kind of trades similar to how COG does. And this COG broke out, so this may try to get a bounce right back up. Let's see here. IBM's making a nice move up today here. Not really a nice momentum move, but a slow grinder today. Like a lot of stocks are doing, grinding or just chopping around with no momentum. Again, big days tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I really don't see much. Just taking it easy today. You had Java. Java was in play this morning. Java pulled back to 840, gave you a buying opportunity. Not one of my favorite stocks to trade. I tried trading it over here when it looked like it was about to break past 9, and it didn't. Came right back in. So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. What else? Win. Okay, yeah. Win's the stock that I was watching before I end the video here. Win's the stock that I was watching. All right, had a target of 108 on it. It got involved at 107.05. All right, then the market looked like it was about to start coming in, so I got out right here, and then now it ran up there. And just speaking of that, I got an alert that just went off on LNG. Let me type this up real quick. LNG alert going off. Strong stock yesterday, breaking over previous day's highs. In any case, I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll catch you guys for the after the bell market summary. Trade them safe. Later.